أهلاً أصدقائي الصغار، هيا بنا نستمتع بموكب مقلد لحيواناتنا المفضلة. هل نتعلم أغنية قصيرة باللغة الإنجليزية؟
What smelly feet, isn't it, frog? Let's wash those feet. The frog doesn't wash his feet. He thinks that they smell so sweet. He lives in a big lagoon with smelly feet that don't smell sweet. What stinky feet! The frog doesn't wash his feet. He thinks that they smell so sweet. He lives in a big lagoon with smelly feet that don't smell sweet. What stinky feet! So this is very easy. Let's sing by placing the vowels A, E, I, O, U. There we go. The frog doesn't wash his butt. How thinks that they smell so sweat. How loves in a back lagoon with smelly fat that don't smell sweat. What stinky fat! The frog doesn't wash his feet. He thinks that they smell so sweet. He lives in a big lagoon with smelly feet that they smell sweet. What stinky feet! The frog doesn't wash his butt. He thinks that they smell so sweet. He lives in a big lagoon with smelly fat that don't smell sweet. What stinky feet! The frog doesn't wash his foot. He thinks that they smell so sweet. He lives in a big lagoon with smelly foot that don't smell sweet. What stinky feet! The frog doesn't wash his foot. He thinks that they smell so sweet. He lives in a big lagoon with smelly foot that don't smell sweet. What stinky feet!
Giramille, Giramille, where are you? Where are you? I really wanna find you, I really wanna find you. Come to play, come to play. Diane Chim, Diane Chim, where are you guys? Where are you guys? Come on over here, come on over here. Come to play, come to play. Mane and trunk, where are you guys? Where are you guys? Come on over here, come on over here. Come to play, come to play. Nina and Tuco, Nina and Tuco, where are you guys? Where are you guys? Come on over here, come on over here. Come to play, come to play, come to play, come to play.
Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy-bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. The cockroach says she has 7 kinds of mini skirts, but she doesn't, it's a lie. She has one and can't deny. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. She has one and nothing more. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. She has one and nothing more. So the cockroach says she has a brand new red buckle shoe, but she doesn't, it's a lie. It's her mom, she can't deny. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. It's her mom's and that I know. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. It's her mom's and that I know. So the cockroach says she has a graduation ring, but she doesn't, it's a lie. It's not true, she can't deny. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. No, she doesn't and we know. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. No, she doesn't and we know. Guitar! Says she has 7 kinds of mini skirts, but she doesn't, it's a lie. She has one and can't deny. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. She has one and nothing more. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. She has one and nothing more. So the cockroach says she has a stylish velvet shoe, but she doesn't, it's a lie. It's her feet, she can't deny. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. She has a very hairy toe. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. She has a very hairy toe. So the cockroach says she has a very nice ride, but she doesn't, it's a lie. It's a trike, she can't deny. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. Just how far does she go? Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. Just how far does she go?
Won't you take my hand, come near? I've got a secret too, you wanna hear? With Giramille we'll dance and play. In a castle we will stay. There will be no evil queen, nor a scary witch to fear. We'll be friends happily. Come with me, let's have some fun. With Giramille, together like a team, we'll discover how good it is to dream and watch the sun shine bright. We'll water all the flowers right and see them as they grow, like the friendship that we have together. Only you and me, bestest friends forever we will be. Won't you take my hand, come near? I've got a secret too, you wanna hear? With Giramille we'll dance and play. In a castle we will stay.